In this video, I'm going to be showing you the best salon software platforms for beginners. So let's get started. So starting a salon business can be both exciting and overwhelming, especially when it comes to managing bookings, appointments, and customer interactions. Luckily, there are several user-friendly salon management software platforms designed to make the process easier, even for beginners. So four of the top salon software platforms for 2024 are Fresha, Vagaro, Booksy, and Mindbody. So each of these platforms offers features that help streamline operations, improve customer engagement, and grow your salon business. So we'll compare these software solutions to help you decide which is best for your needs. So first, let's talk about Fresha. So Fresha is a popular cloud-based salon management software that offers a free plan, making it highly attractive for beginners. So it is designed specifically for beauty and wellness businesses, offering easy-to-use tools for appointment booking, client management, and payment processing. So the key features of Fresha is its online booking system. So it allows your clients to book appointments online via your website or the Fresha marketplace. So it integrates with social media channels like Instagram, enabling clients to book directly from your social pages. Next key feature is inventory management. So Fresha also helps manage salon inventory, including tracking product sales and stock levels, so you never run out of essential items. Now, the benefits of Fresha is it's cost effective. So its free pricing plan makes it a great choice for new salon owners who want a robust platform without the upfront cost. So there are no subscription fees, so the only charges come from payment processing and additional marketing add-ons. Next benefit is its user-friendly interface. So Fresha's intuitive dashboard makes it easy to manage bookings, customer information, and sales, even if you have no prior experience with salon software. So Fresha is ideal for small salons and beginners who want a simple, affordable platform with powerful features for managing appointments and payments. Now, the next software is Vagaro. So Vagaro is an all-in-one scheduling and management software for salons, spas, fitness studios, and wellness businesses. So it offers a wide range of tools for appointment booking, customer relationship management, and marketing. So Vagaro is known for its scalability, making it a great option for both small and growing businesses. So the key features is its customizable scheduling. So Vagaro's appointment scheduling system is highly customizable, allowing you to set specific booking rules, manage staff schedules, and prevent double bookings. Next key feature is its built-in marketing tools. So Vagaro includes a robust set of marketing features, including email campaigns, text message promotions, and customer loyalty programs. So these tools can help you attract new clients and retain existing ones. Now, the benefits of Vagaro is its scalability. So as your salon business grows, Vagaro can grow with you. So it offers advanced features like payroll management, reporting, and multi-location support, making it suitable for salons that plan to expand. Next benefit is it has a mobile app. So Vagro has a user-friendly mobile app that allows salon owners to manage appointments, track sales, and communicate with clients on the go. Vagro is a great choice for salon owners who want an all-in-one solution that can handle everything from scheduling to marketing while also being scalable for future growth. The next one is Booksy. So Booksy is a cloud-based appointment booking software tailored for salons, barbershops, and spas. So its user-friendly interface and focus on mobile bookings make it specially appealing to small businesses and solo practitioners. Booksy also places a heavy emphasis on customer convenience with tools that make it easy for clients to book, reschedule, and manage appointments. So the key features is its mobile first design. So Booksy is designed to be mobile friendly, making it easy for both salon owners and clients to manage appointments via the Booksy app. Next key feature is its client communication tools. The platform includes automated appointment reminders, personalized messaging, and client feedback collection, helping to enhance customer relationships. Now, the benefits of using Booksy is it has client-centric features, focused on improving the client experience through features like personalized notification and feedback collection, can help increase customer satisfaction and retention. Next benefit is marketing and promotions. So Booksy provides built-in tools for running marketing campaigns such as sending promotion or offering discounts to first-time customers. So this can be great way for new salons to attract clientele. So Booksy is an excellent choice for salon owners who prioritize mobile bookings and want to create a seamless experience for their clients while managing operations efficiently. And the last software is Mindbody. So, Mindbody is a comprehensive software solution designed for salons, spas, fitness centers, and wellness businesses. While it offers a wider range of features than most salon software, it's still intuitive enough for beginners to use. Mindbody is particularly known for its powerful reporting tools and business analytics, which can help new salon owners make data driven decisions. Now, the key features of Mindbody is its client management and CRM. So it provides tools for managing client information, tracking appointment history, and managing memberships, helping you build stronger relationships with your customers. Next feature is detailed reporting and analytics. So Mindbody's reporting features allow you to track everything from sales performance to client retention rates. So these insights are valuable for improving business strategies. Now, the benefits of using this is its integration with fitness and wellness services. So, if your salon also offers fitness and wellness services like yoga or massage, Mindbody's integrated platform makes it easy to manage multiple service types within the same system. The next benefit is its comprehensive support. Mindbody offers extensive customer support, including live chat, phone support, and a comprehensive knowledge base, ensuring that beginners get the help they need. So basically, Mindbody is ideal for salon owners who want advanced reporting tools and the ability to expand into wellness services, offering a comprehensive platform for managing diverse business needs. So those are the four best softwares for salon systems. Or each of these platforms provide user-friendly solutions that can simplify operations and help new salon owners succeed. So always consider your specific business needs and goals when selecting the best software for your salon. So that's basically it. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.